Ready to upgrade your travel game with tiny gadgets that make a huge difference? Today, we're counting down 40 tiny travel gadgets on Amazon that are small in size but massive in convenience. From clever space savers to smart tools that solve everyday travel problems, these picks are perfect for packing light and traveling right. Whether you're a frequent flyer or weekend wanderer, you'll find something awesome here. Stay tuned. You won't believe how some of these mini gadgets can transform your trips. Number 1. LIBLAIN Mini Sewing Kit Clothes. Mishaps happen, and missing buttons or tiny tears can ruin a trip. The LIBLAIN Mini Sewing Kit is compact, organized, and comes with needles, threads, buttons, and safety pins for on-the-go repairs. Its lightweight case fits neatly in any backpack or carry-on. Perfect for travelers who want to stay prepared, it ensures quick fixes for wardrobe emergencies without taking up valuable packing space, keeping your outfits ready for every adventure. Number 2. Fanery Sue Adventure Travel Journal. Remembering your adventures is easier with the right tools. The Fanery Sue Adventure Travel Journal features a durable faux leather cover, refillable lined pages, and a magnetic closure to keep notes secure. Compact and portable, it fits easily into a backpack or carry-on. Perfect for writers, planners, and travelers alike, it allows you to document trips, jot ideas, or doodle memories, keeping your journey organized and creatively captured wherever you explore. Number 3. ZAZE Picnic Blanket. Outdoor spots aren't always clean or comfortable for relaxing. The ZAZE Picnic Blanket XL is waterproof, extra large, and folds down with a convenient carrying strap. Durable material resists moisture and sand, while the soft surface makes sitting on grass, sand, or dirt much more enjoyable. Perfect for picnics, beach days, or park adventures, it's portable, easy to clean, and ensures a comfortable experience wherever your travels take you. Number 4. Anker Power Bank. Anxiety can ruin trips, especially during long flights or sightseeing. The Anker Power Bank is lightweight, compact, and provides multiple charges for phones, tablets, and other devices. With fast charging technology and a durable design, it keeps your electronics powered anytime. Perfect for travelers, it ensures navigation, photography, and communication remain uninterrupted, letting you enjoy your adventures without worrying about running out of juice. Number 5. Lingito Travel Folding Toothbrush. Traditional toothbrushes can take up space and get messy while traveling. The Lingito Travel Folding Toothbrush folds neatly into a protective case, keeping bristles clean and compact for packing. Soft bristles ensure effective cleaning, while the durable design protects against damage. Perfect for travelers who value hygiene and convenience, it's easy to carry in purses, backpacks, or luggage, ensuring fresh breath anywhere without sacrificing space. Number 6. Amazon Basics 3-Pack. Travel plug adapter. Charging electronics abroad can be a nightmare with different plug standards. The Amazon Basics 3-Pack travel plug adapter works in multiple countries, fits most devices, and is compact for easy travel. Durable and reliable, each adapter is lightweight and convenient to pack. Perfect for international travelers, it ensures you stay powered anywhere in the world, keeping phones, laptops, and cameras ready without worrying about incompatible outlets. Number 7. Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit. Minor injuries can happen anywhere, and being unprepared is stressful. The Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit is compact, yet stocked with essentials like bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and tweezers. Lightweight and organized, it fits in backpacks, purses, or luggage. Perfect for travelers, it provides peace of mind, ensuring quick responses to scrapes, cuts, or small emergencies while on the go, keeping trips safe and worry-free. Number 8. Smasrob Electronics Organizer. Travel case cables, chargers, and small electronics often get tangled during travel. The Smasrob Electronics Organizer travel case features elastic straps, mesh pockets, and compartments to keep everything neat and secure. Compact and durable, it fits easily in backpacks or carry-ons. Perfect for tech-savvy travelers, it prevents tangles, protects gadgets, and keeps essential electronics accessible, making packing, unpacking, and travel organization simple and stress-free. Number 9. Portable Door Lock Hotel or Airbnb security can feel uncertain on the road. Portable door lock is lightweight, portable, and adds extra security to most standard doors without tools. Easy to install and remove, it provides peace of mind during sleep or short absences. Perfect for travelers, it's a reliable way to enhance personal safety, keeping your room secure wherever you stay without adding bulk to your luggage. Number 10. Jack and Rose Travel Steamer. Wrinkled clothes can ruin your travel style, especially after long trips. The Jack and Rose Travel Steamer is compact, lightweight, and heats up quickly to remove wrinkles from shirts, dresses, and jackets. Portable design fits easily into luggage, and it's safe for most fabrics. Perfect for travelers, it keeps your outfits looking polished and professional, making sure you arrive at events, meetings, or dinners ready to impress without carrying a bulky iron. Number 11. TakeToday. Collapsible water bottles 20 ounces. Staying hydrated on the go can be a hassle, especially with bulky bottles. The TakeToday collapsible water bottles expand to hold 20 ounces of liquid, yet fold flat for easy storage. Made from BPA-free silicone, they're durable, leak-proof, and easy to clean. Perfect for travelers, hikers, and campers, these bottles save space in bags or backpacks while keeping you refreshed wherever your adventures take you, making hydration convenient without the extra bulk. Number 12. Sunbeam Hot 2 Trot Travel Steam. Iron wrinkled clothes can ruin your travel style after long flights or hotel stays. The Sunbeam Hot 2 Trot Travel Steam Iron is compact, lightweight, and heats up quickly to smooth shirts, dresses, or pants. Dual voltage makes it ideal for international trips, while its ergonomic design fits easily into luggage. Perfect for travelers who want to look polished on the go, it keeps outfits wrinkle-free without adding bulky irons to your packing list. Number 13. BLABOK Inflatable Travel Neck Pillow. Long flights, car rides, or train trips can leave your neck sore and stiff. The BLABOK Inflatable Travel Neck Pillow provides ergonomic support, inflates in seconds, and deflates for compact storage. Soft, durable material ensures comfort for hours of use. Perfect for travelers who value rest and convenience, it reduces neck strain, improves sleep on the go, and fits easily into carry-ons, backpacks, or purses without taking up valuable space. Number 14. Nidal Travel Laundry Bags. 2 pieces. Sorting dirty clothes while traveling can be messy and inefficient. The Nidal Travel Laundry Bags come in a 2-piece set with durable, breathable fabric and secure drawstring closures. Lightweight and compact, they easily fit into luggage or backpacks. Perfect for travelers, they keep clothes organized, separate clean from dirty items, and prevent odors from spreading, making packing and laundry management stress-free during trips of any length. Number 15. GaiaTop Mini Portable Stroller. Fan hot weather can make stroller rides uncomfortable for little ones. The GaiaTop Mini Portable Stroller fan clips easily to strollers and provides adjustable, battery-powered airflow. Lightweight and durable, it keeps babies cool without adding bulk. Perfect for parents on the go, it ensures comfort during walks, hikes, or park visits, while being compact enough to store in a diaper bag or backpack. Number 16. Ulanzi MT16 Mini Camera Tripod. Capturing stable photos and videos on the go can be tricky without proper support. The Ulanzi MT16 Mini Camera Tripod is lightweight, compact, and adjustable from multiple angles. It securely holds cameras, smartphones, or action cams, making it ideal for photography or vlogging. Perfect for travelers who want professional quality shots without heavy gear, it fits easily in bags and allows flexible, steady shooting wherever your adventures take you. Number 17. Tow Selfie Travel Bottles 18-pack. Carrying liquids for flights can be messy and restricted by TSA rules. The Tow Selfie Travel Bottles come in an 18-pack of leak-proof, squeezable, refillable bottles. Made from soft silicone, they're easy to dispense and clean. Perfect for travelers, these bottles let you pack shampoo, conditioner, lotion, or sanitizer conveniently while avoiding spills, keeping your toiletries organized, and maximizing space in your luggage without stress. Number 18. TakeToday Collapsible Travel Cup. 2 pieces. Coffee or tea on the go is easier with the right gear. The TakeToday Collapsible Travel Cup set expands for drinking and collapses flat for space-saving storage. Made from BPA-free durable silicone, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Perfect for travelers who love hot beverages, these cups fit neatly into backpacks or carry-ons, letting you enjoy drinks anywhere without carrying bulky mugs or disposable cups. Number 19. Travelweed Digital Travel Alarm Clock. Jet lag and time zone changes make waking up on time a challenge. The Travelweed Digital Travel Alarm Clock is compact, battery-powered, and easy to read with adjustable alarm settings. Lightweight and portable, it fits perfectly in luggage or backpacks. Perfect for travelers, it ensures punctuality, provides reliable wake-ups, and offers a convenient alternative to phone alarms without draining your device battery. Number 20. Holy Travel Pill Organizer. 8 compartments. Keeping track of medications or supplements while traveling can be stressful. The Holy Travel Pill Organizer has 8 compartments, is compact, and fits easily into backpacks or purses. Durable and secure, it keeps pills organized and prevents spills. Perfect for travelers, it ensures you stay on schedule, reduces the risk of missed doses, and makes medication management easy, convenient, and worry-free on trips of any length. Number 21. Bushnell H2 O Extreme 10 by 42 Binoculars. Missing scenic views while exploring outdoors is frustrating. The Bushnell H2 O Extreme Binoculars are waterproof, fog-proof, and compact. perfect for hikes, birdwatching, or sporting events. High-definition lenses deliver sharp, crisp images even in challenging weather. Perfect for adventure travelers, they enhance sightseeing experiences, provide reliable durability, and fit easily into backpacks without adding unnecessary bulk. These binoculars make every landscape, wildlife, or distant landmark crystal clear while keeping your gear lightweight. Number 22. Out-in Nano Portable Espresso Machine. Finding good coffee while traveling can be tough. The Out-in Nano Portable Espresso Machine is battery-powered, compact, and lightweight, making it ideal for hotels, offices, or campsites. Easy to use and clean, it delivers rich, flavorful espresso anywhere. Perfect for coffee lovers on the go, it ensures you never miss your caffeine fix while traveling without carrying bulky coffee makers, keeping mornings energized and convenient no matter where your adventures take you. Number 23. Osprey Ultralight. Collapsible stuff. Pack extra bags take up luggage space but are often needed for day trips or shopping. The Osprey Ultralight Collapsible Stuff Pack folds down to a tiny, packable size but expands to carry essentials when required. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for travelers needing a versatile backup bag. Ideal for spontaneous adventures, it's easy to carry, keeps items organized, and slips neatly into a suitcase or backpack without adding extra bulk. Number 24. BUKL Navigator Travel Neck Wallet. Keeping passports, cards, and cash safe while exploring can be stressful. The BUKL Navigator Travel Neck Wallet is lightweight, RFID blocking, and worn under clothing for discreet protection. Multiple compartments keep essentials organized and accessible. Perfect for travelers navigating crowded airports or busy streets, it provides peace of mind, reduces the risk of theft, and keeps your valuables secure while exploring new destinations anywhere in the world. Number 25. Fun Touch Rechargeable Travel Makeup. Mirror applying makeup in dim hotel lighting is always a challenge. The Fun Touch Rechargeable Travel Makeup Mirror is compact, foldable, and features adjustable LED lights for bright, even illumination. Lightweight and portable, it fits neatly into any bag. Perfect for travelers who want flawless makeup on the go. It ensures precise application, eliminates shadows, and makes grooming convenient during flights, road trips, or hotel stays. Number 26. Travel Pillow. Long flights, bus rides, or train journeys can leave your neck sore and tired. Travel Pillow provides ergonomic memory foam support, molds to your neck shape, and relieves pressure. Lightweight and compressible, it fits easily in carry-ons or backpacks. Perfect for travelers, it promotes restful sleep, reduces discomfort, and makes travel more comfortable, ensuring you arrive refreshed and ready for adventures, sightseeing, or business meetings. Number 27. EBTULF. Portable bidet. Public restrooms or limited facilities can make hygiene challenging. The EBTULF portable bidet is compact, lightweight, and provides a hygienic, refreshing wash wherever you go. Durable and easy to use, it fits neatly into toiletry bags. Perfect for travelers who prioritize cleanliness, it ensures comfort, reduces reliance on toilet paper, and provides peace of mind when standard facilities aren't ideal, making trips more sanitary and convenient. Number 28. Sipway. Compression packing cubes, 3 pieces. Packing efficiently can be a constant struggle when luggage is limited. Sipway compression packing cubes are durable, lightweight, and compress clothing to save space while keeping items organized. 3 different sizes fit neatly into backpacks or suitcases. Perfect for travelers, they maximize luggage capacity, prevent wrinkles, and make packing and unpacking simple and stress-free, allowing you to travel smarter and more organized without overstuffing your bags. Number 29. MZO. Luxury Sleep Eye Mask. Sleeping on planes, trains, or buses is often impossible with light disturbances. The MZO Luxury Sleep Eye Mask features soft memory foam, adjustable straps, and total blackout coverage for ultimate comfort. Lightweight and portable, it stays secure without putting pressure on your eyes. Perfect for travelers, it improves rest, reduces fatigue, and ensures you wake refreshed, making long journeys more comfortable and enjoyable anywhere your travels take you. Number 40. Tiny Travel Gadgets. Sometimes the smallest tools make the biggest difference. This collection of 40 tiny travel gadgets includes space-saving, convenient, and innovative solutions for everyday travel problems. From portable organizers and compact chargers to hygiene essentials and comfort tools, each gadget is designed to simplify packing, enhance comfort, and solve common travel headaches. Perfect for frequent travelers or weekend adventurers, these mini gadgets pack massive convenience into your trips, helping you stay organized, comfortable, and stress-free free wherever you go. Number 31. Elecmoga 2025 Airplane Bluetooth Transmitter. Airplane entertainment systems rarely support wireless headphones, making long flights uncomfortable. The Elecmoga 2025 Airplane Bluetooth Transmitter connects easily to plane audio ports, enabling wireless listening without tangled cords. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, it pairs quickly with headphones or earbuds. Perfect for travelers, it ensures private entertainment, reduces cable clutter, and lets you enjoy movies, music, or podcasts in comfort while flying, making every trip more convenient and enjoyable. Number 32. Upoi USB-C Charger Block 6. Ports charging multiple devices on the go can be a headache with limited outlets. The Upoi USB-C Charger Block has 6 ports, including USB-C and USB-A, and supports fast charging for phones, tablets, and laptops. Compact and travel-friendly, it fits neatly in carry-ons or backpacks. Perfect for travelers, it keeps all your devices powered simultaneously, reduces clutter, and ensures you stay connected wherever your journey takes you. Number 33. Minlu Universal Travel Multi-Adapter PD 65 watts. Traveling internationally often means dealing with different plug types and power voltages. The Minlu Universal Travel Multi-Adapter PD 65 watts is compact, lightweight, and works in multiple countries with fast-charging PD support. Its durable design fits easily in luggage or backpacks. Perfect for global travelers, it keeps devices charged safely and efficiently, prevents incompatibility issues, and makes international trips stress-free without sacrificing convenience. Number 34. Pack All Shoe Bag for travel shoes can take up space and dirty luggage during trips. The Pack All Shoe Bag keeps footwear organized, separate, and protected. Made from durable, lightweight material with secure zippers, it fits neatly into backpacks or suitcases. Perfect for travelers, it keeps shoes clean, prevents odor transfer, and simplifies packing, making sure your luggage stays organized and your outfits ready for every adventure without bulk or mess. Number 35. DreamEgg Sound Machine. D1 sleeping in noisy hotel rooms or unfamiliar environments can be tough. The DreamEgg Sound Machine D1 provides soothing sounds like white noise, rain, or ocean waves to help you relax and sleep better. Compact and portable, it fits in luggage easily. Perfect for travelers, it improves rest quality, blocks disruptive sounds, and ensures you wake refreshed, making it an essential gadget for stress-free, peaceful travel nights anywhere. Number 36. Rod Siren Binoculars 15 by 25. Missing wildlife or distant scenery can be disappointing during trips. The Rod Siren Binoculars 15 by 25 are lightweight, compact, and provide sharp 15 times magnification for detailed viewing. Durable construction resists impact while remaining portable for hiking, sightseeing, or sporting events. Perfect for travelers, they enhance observation experiences, are easy to carry, and let you explore landscapes or wildlife with clarity and precision wherever your adventures take you. Number 37. Gaia Loop Memory Foam Camping Mattress. Sleeping on uneven or uncomfortable surfaces can ruin outdoor adventures. The Gaia Loop Memory Foam Camping Mattress is lightweight, foldable, and offers plush support for restful sleep. Compact design rolls up for easy transport and fits in backpacks or tents. Perfect for campers and backpackers, it provides comfort, insulation, and convenience, making outdoor trips more enjoyable while ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready for the day's activities. Number 38. Venture Forth Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag. Toiletries can create a messy, cluttered suitcase. The Venture Forth Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag features multiple compartments, waterproof material, and a foldable hook to hang in bathrooms. Compact yet spacious, it fits everything from shampoo to razors neatly. Perfect for travelers, it keeps toiletries organized, accessible, and prevents leaks, making packing, unpacking, and daily hygiene simple and stress-free on any trip. Number 39. Goma Puru. Travel mirror with light applying makeup or grooming in dim environments is a challenge. The Goma Puru travel mirror with light is compact, foldable, and features built-in LEDs for bright, even illumination. Lightweight and portable, it fits into luggage or purses effortlessly. Perfect for travelers, it ensures precise grooming, eliminates shadows, and provides professional quality lighting anywhere, keeping you looking polished and ready for adventures, meetings, or evenings out. Number 40. Grail Ultra Press. Water purifier bottle clean drinking water isn't always guaranteed while traveling, especially outdoors. The Grail Ultra Press water purifier bottle filters water instantly, removing bacteria, viruses, and contaminants. Durable and portable, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or international travel. Easy to use and compact for backpacks, it ensures safe hydration anywhere. Perfect for travelers, it provides peace of mind, reduces reliance on bottled water, and keeps you healthy and refreshed on every adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel hacks. Check out our full list of 40 tiny travel gadgets on Amazon to save space, stay organized, and make every trip easier, smarter, and more enjoyable.